What is up, flockers? It is Labor Day Eve, and we are celebrating with the family. So, just got to the parents we gotta start cooking and get food ready. Jules, are you gonna cook?
Huh?
You gonna cook?
Huh?
Alright.
Huh?
Alright, let's get the food inside. Alright, so we got all the food inside. Now, my niece, she is the one that called this family meeting. She works in the restaurant business. She's a manager at a nice restaurant. And so most of the time she is working on holiday, so we don't typically get to see her. So the fact that she was off this Sunday and wanted to put together a time that we could all get together and cook and eat is really special. So we're looking forward to that. And she's providing most of the food, so we are definitely here for that. But yeah, just looking forward to this. We just got here and waiting on one of my sisters to get here. I haven't seen the other one yet. I think she might already be here. And yeah, we're gonna get this party on the road, get stuff cooking so that we can hopefully eat in the next hour or so. Sister.
No! We don't like it, Sherry.
No, not at all.
Yeah, right? You're like, no! Stay away!
Got a little corn, not souffle, corn something. Got some baked potatoes.
Hey, Flocker, it's me, Tori, and Jules, Bob, and Dad.
Where are we going today, Tori? To the rock garden.
Rock garden. A rock garden.
The rock garden. So, first time going. We're gonna check it out, see how it is.
No more.
What, Jules?
Duck. You're stuck?
Alright, it's about an hour drive, so yep, 101. Here we go. All right, Tori, what'd you think of the rock garden?
It was good.
It was good? What'd you think of the rock garden, Jules? Did you have fun?
Good.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
Me and Jules could go like to this castle and we were like on water, but rocks were there, so we didn't fall.
Tanya packed up a nice little lunch for us, a little picnic lunch, but it's too hot to eat outside. It's already 84 degrees, so gave the girls some snacks, and we're gonna head home and eat lunch at home. Cause yeah, you see, got me out here sweating.
Nobody wants to see you sweat.
No, they do.
No, they don't.
Yeah, that's cute. People, that's not what people like. Yeah, I'm hot, y'all. I'm sweating.
I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry.
So yeah, hour drive.
My
It was worth it
daddy's
though.
crazy.
It was fun. Yes, your daddy is crazy. So watch out and be careful who you bring home in the future. Future you, if you're watching, watch out. What is up, flockers? It has been a minute since I have been on a walk in my neighborhood or in general. I believe I mentioned in a previous video that I had a very bad sprain that pretty much took me out for a good almost month now. I think it's been 3 weeks, honestly, since it happened. I think we're going on the 4th week. Either today, is today 3 weeks or 4 weeks? I don't even remember. I just know it's been a long time. And it was to the point where up until maybe 4 days ago, I couldn't even walk normal without it looking painful, without it looking like it hurt. So we're in a much better place now. I'm able to walk with the brace on at normal pace and with very minimal discomfort. Because the brace is on and my shoe is a thinner shoe, I can feel that there's some pressure just because, you know, there's only so much the shoe can expand. But like I said, I'm glad to be out and walking again. I'm really hoping that it doesn't cause my ankle to swell up a bunch because all of the swelling has not gone down yet. But I can't stay immobile for so long. And I feel like they said that there's 3 different categories of sprains, and I feel like mine was a level 2. There's like level 1, level 2, level 3. I heard popping, which is technically supposed to be level 3, but I don't know if it was that severe, but it felt pretty bad. So I don't know, we'll see. Hoping that the swelling doesn't increase after this walk. I'm going to try to keep it pretty light and not do too much, but those of y'all that have watched previous vlogs know that the hills in my neighborhood are pretty intense. So if I start feeling pain or anything like that, I'm just going to stop and call it a day, go back home. But like I said, I'm just glad after 3 weeks to finally be back out and walking again and being able to enjoy the fresh air. You take a lot of things for granted in life until it's gone, whether it's temporarily gone or gone for good. So I'm thankful, I'm blessed that 1, it's not broken, so it's not a longer recovery, and 2, that I still have the ability to walk, because that is something that I definitely take for granted. And like I said, you don't realize how much you take for granted until you no longer have access to those things anymore. So be thankful for what you have in life, even when times are hard, because you never know when those things might be taken away from you. It's a lesson that I'm learning and have learned through this process. And it's just a beautiful day out today. The sun is shining. We're getting to the time of year where it's not 90 degrees by 8 o'clock in the morning. So it is only 76 degrees right now on this beautiful sunny day. So I'm taking it all in and enjoying it. I love being outside. Get that from my mother. She is an outdoors girl, so really loving it and enjoying it. And like I said, thankful and blessed to be back out in my element. Let me scoot over before I get hit by this car that's coming.